1. How many foreigners getting Padma Awards in 2024? A. 7. B. 8. C. 9. D. 10. Right answer is B. 8. 2. With which Indian state is the dance drama known as Yakshagana most strongly associated? A. Karnataka. B. Odisha. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Maharashtra. Right answer is A. Karnataka. 3. On whose birthday day India celebrate National Youth Day? A. APJ Abdul Kalam. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. D. Swami Vivekananda. Right answer is D. Swami Vivekananda. 4. Where did the International Camel Festival celebrated? A. Jaipur, Uttar Pradesh. B. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. C. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. D. Bikaner, Rajasthan. Right answer is D. Bikaner, Rajasthan. 5. Where did the joint exercise Sahyog Kaijin between the Indian and Japanese Coast Guards take place? A. Mumbai. B. Kochi. C. Chennai. D. Vishakhapatnam. Right answer is C. Chennai. 6. In which city is Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurating the Research Institute of Homeopathy? A. Kolkata. B. Jaipur. C. Pune. D. Guwahati. Right answer is D. Guwahati. 7. Which Indian state launched the paying guest scheme to boost tourism experiences? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Rajasthan. Right answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. 8. In which state is the Paradeep fishing harbour situated? A. Odisha. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. D. Kerala. Right answer is A. Odisha. 9. Which state secured the overall championship in the inaugural Diu Beach Games 2024? A. Goa. B. Gujarat. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Kerala. Right answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. 10. On which date is Indian Army Day celebrated every year? A. 14th January. B. 15th January. C. 1st February. D. 10th March. Right answer is B. 15th January. 11. Where is the World Economic Forum annual meeting scheduled to take place in 2024? A. Davos. B. Geneva. C. Zurich. D. Basel. Right answer is A. Davos. 12. Which country has formally requested India to withdraw military personnel by 15th March 2024? A. China. B. India. C. Maldives. D. Pakistan. Right answer is C. Maldives. 13. Who inaugurated the 5th Meghalaya Games? A. Draupadi Murmu. B. Anurag Thakur. C. Anurag Thakur. D. Jagdeep Dhankar. Right answer is A. Draupadi Murmu. 14. When is National Startup Day 2024 celebrated? A. 11th January. B. 10th January. C. 20th January. D. 16th January. Right answer is D. 16th January. 15. Which city set a world record with the longest solar light line installation? A. Ayodhya. B. Mathura. C. Varanasi. D. Haridwar. Right answer is A. Ayodhya.